dissecting the secrets behind the thin skin of the flying fish, more surprising than its contents. Opening, an unexpected observation. We're about to embark on an in-depth journey, delving into the skin of this scad at a level even the naked eye can't see. Get ready, because the answers will make you see scad in a completely different way. Chapter 1. Thin as a curtain, fast as lightning, the mystery of skin thickness. Why doesn't this fish have thick, tough skin like snapper or mackerel? The mackerel, or Decapterus macarellus, is a master sailor. It's a fast swimmer that roams the open ocean. In the underwater world, speed is everything. Its incredibly thin dermis is an ingenious adaptation for minimizing drag. Its streamlined, cylindrical body, covered in thin, slippery skin, is the perfect combination for speed without expending excessive energy. Chapter 2. Not just beautiful, the war strategy behind two colors. Take another look. On its back, it's dark blue, almost black, and on its belly, it's a gleaming silver. This is a counter-shading survival strategy. Imagine a large tuna searching for prey. But what do you see? The silvery belly of the scad will reflect the sunlight, making it blend perfectly with the shimmering water above it. It becomes invisible. Imagine a bird flying above. When you look out at the sea, the dark blue back of the scad will blend perfectly with the color of the deep sea below. From above, it looks like water. Chapter 3. The surprising world of microscopics, pores, and black spots. The tiny holes you see in the outermost layer, the epidermis, are pores of mucus cells. Specialized cells in the skin constantly produce and store mucus droplets, then release them through these pores. Imagine trying to catch a live fish with dry hands. It's incredibly difficult, isn't it? That's the primary function of mucus. It makes it slippery and difficult for predators to catch. It also protects wounds and wards off parasites. And near these pores, dotted with tiny black spots, are living cells called melanophores. These are the pigment melanin, and they demonstrate that camouflage isn't just a layer of color, but a dynamic process involving active, living cells. Chapter 4. Mysterious brown spots, nature's hidden color palette. There are shades of brown and light brown. The dark brown patches are areas where melanophores gather in much higher concentrations. They produce melanin, creating advanced camouflage patterns called disruptive coloration. Then, the light brown patches are where the xanthophores contain pteridine and carotenoid pigments. Chapter 5. The eerie anomaly under the light, when skin tells the story of wounds. This area is so dark that little light on from the microscope is visible. This is indicative of a condition called melanophore hyperplasia. At this point, melanophore cells have divided and increased in number abnormally, creating a skin anomaly that is highly pigmented. This could be a response to physical injury, parasitic infestation, or even a local genetic mutation. Surrounding the dark patches is a bright yellow color. This yellow color is the deposition of a pigment similar to ceroid, a waste product of cellular damage caused by oxidative stress. This is an inflammatory response from the surrounding tissue. Chapter 6. The overlooked treasure. Fish skin becomes an anti-aging pill. Collagen and peptides from mackerel skin exhibit powerful antioxidant properties, capable of warding off free radicals that cause premature aging. Furthermore, it inhibits the enzyme tyrosinase. This enzyme is the culprit behind excess melanin production, which causes dark spots and uneven skin tone in the human body. By inhibiting it, mackerel collagen has the potential to be a natural skin lightening agent. It also inhibits the enzyme hyaluronidase. Hyaluronidase is an enzyme that breaks down hyaluronic acid, which maintains the moisture and elasticity of our skin. By inhibiting this destructive enzyme, it helps maintain skin elasticity and hydration. Its rich amino acid profile of glutamic acid, glycine, proline, and arginine rebuilds our joints, bones, and skin. Chapter 7. Before you rush to eat fish skin. This is important. Excessive consumption of supplements, particularly high-density collagen, can trigger digestive issues such as bloating and cramps. Some people even report sleep disturbances. This may be related to the effect of certain amino acids on neurotransmitters in the brain. Closing. A Mackerel Scad story about survival, adaptation, and finding wonder in the most unlikely of places. We have sailed into the ocean of knowledge, and it all started with the fish skin we thought was worthless. Thank you for being with us. See you on our next knowledge adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe.